afternoon. Welcome. This is Neco English Objective Past question number 34. And to this question, the instruction says choose from the options lettered A to E, the one that is nearest a meaning to the word in italics. Then the instruction here is to answer question 31 to 40, and this is question 34. And then the italicized word is passionate. Passionate is the word that is italicized, and the statement says the philanthropist is passionate about the community of the development of his community. The philanthropist is passionate about the development of his community. The philanthropist is passionate about the development of his community. So we are looking for the synonym of passionate of this word. So an option A say pathetic, B say consigned, C say intrinsic, D say happy, E say worried. And when we talk of worried means when you are worried, it means that you are afraid. When you are happy means is synonymous to joy. The intrinsic means strong belief. Then consigned means to be passion or passioned or to have passion. Apathetic means to be sympathetic or worried. Then the same thing here, you can also talk about freight and so on and so forth. So the word that is replaced this passionate is consigned. So one can say that the philanthropist is consigned about the development of his community. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.